Cash Giraffe and Bingo Cash both pay users for gameplay, but they use completely different earning systems, which means better depends on whether you want steady task rewards or competitive cash tournaments. By the end, you'll understand how each app pays, what actually limits your earnings, and which one fits your playstyle better. Cash Giraffe works by paying you points for completing mobile game offers. You install games, complete in-game goals, and earn rewards based on progress and time spent inside those games. Earnings depend on how many offers are available and how quickly you complete them. Bingo Cash is a skill-based bingo tournament app where you pay an entry fee using coins or credits, then compete against other players in timed bingo matches. Your payout depends on your ranking compared to other players, not just participation. Cash Giraffe is more predictable because you never risk your balance. You just complete tasks and slowly build up enough points to withdraw rewards. The limitation is that earnings depend on offer availability and how long each task takes to complete. Bingo Cash has higher earning potential per match, but it comes with risk. If you lose a tournament, you lose your entry fee. That means your balance can go up or down depending on performance, not just time spent playing. Another key difference is consistency. Cash Giraffe rewards are spread across many small tasks, so progress feels gradual but stable. Bingo Cash results depend on winning matches, which can create uneven earnings from day to day. Cash Giraffe is better suited for users who want low effort, no risk grinding where earnings build over time through simple gameplay tasks. Bingo Cash is better for users who are comfortable with competitive gameplay and want the chance for higher payouts in shorter bursts, even if they don't win every match. Time investment also plays a role. Cash Giraffe requires longer sessions across multiple games to reach payout thresholds. Bingo Cash sessions are shorter, but each match requires focus because one mistake can affect your result. Another factor is reliability of earnings. Cash Giraffe is tied to offer completion, so as long as tasks are available, you can keep progressing. Bingo Cash depends on both player skill and match availability, which can fluctuate. Quick summary: Cash Giraffe pays through task completion with steady low-risk rewards. Bingo Cash pays through competitive tournaments with higher risk and higher reward potential. If you want consistency, Cash Giraffe is safer. If you want competition and faster payouts, Bingo Cash has more upside. If this helped, like and subscribe for more comparison guides like this.